Get a free trial version of FabSoft's DeskConnect today. Just click on the trial link and then fill in the information on this page to receive a download link and activation code in your email. Then run the installation. Click Next. Then click Close. Now, just click on the FabSoft icon in the system tray and create a virtual printer. Then name it something relevant. Then you can print the PDF using the virtual printer. The first time you print, you will have to create a simple workflow, choosing Word as the output file type. Configure the output directory to specify where to create the Word document. Then configure the file name. For this demonstration, I will use a single value field type. Then I will use a dynamic value and choose the _job name variable. There are also many other options and modifiers available to customize the name. And that's it. Now you can just print your PDFs to your virtual printer, and a Word document copy of the original PDF will be produced in the output folder. The document is a fully editable Word document.